Who makes the quickest accelerating electric cars? Is it Germany or is it China? To find out, I am going to drag race a Porsche Taycan against a Chinese Porsche Taycan. And I'm also going to race a BMW iX against a Chinese BMW iX. Let's do this. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Car Wow. Buy, sell, Car Wow. Let me tell you about this car I'm in. So it's called a Human Horizons HiPhi Z, and it looks a bit like a cyberpunked up Nissan GTR. It's actually huge, much bigger than a Nissan GTR. More luxurious too. Lots of space in the back, loads of tech. It's quite nice actually. I even like the look of it. I think it's interesting. It's powered by two electric motors, one on the front axle, one on the rear axle, so you got four-wheel drive. And combined, they put out 672 horsepower and 820 newton meters of torque. It's quite heavy, this thing though. It weighs 2,540 kilos. And it's reasonably expensive, £90,000. Though I bet it is less expensive than the equivalent Porsche Taycan. Rory, can you tell me about the Taycan?
Hey Matt, yep, so I'm on Team Germany today and I'm in a Taycan, specifically GTS in Sport Turismo sort of estatey flavour. So we've got two motors front and back with 598 horsepower combined, 850 newton meters of torque. Gearbox has 2 speeds, and obviously I have all-wheel drive. I weigh 2,310 kilograms, so I'm quite heavy. It costs £111,000.
So basically your German performance four-seater is slightly more expensive than my Chinese one, and it's got less power, though my car is heavier. Okay, now let's move on to the SUVs. And Samuel, can you tell me about your Chinese SUV?
Hello Matthew. Yeah, this is the Human Horizons HiPhi X. It's a dual motor, so I guess that means all-wheel drive, 598 horsepower, 820 newton meters of torque, 2,580 kilos, and it costs £93,500, which I think for the amount of kit in this car isn't that bad.
And it's a whole lot cheaper than the car that you're in, Nick.
It certainly is, Matt. This is the BMW iX M60, and it costs a smidge under £123,000, which is loads. But thankfully, it's also got absolutely loads of power, so 619 horsepower and a mountain of torque, 1,100 newton meters, which is just staggering, really. Also staggering is the weight, 2,584 kilograms. Big in every way, this thing.
Now, if you want to compare the stats of the cars, just pause your video because we're going to put up a little stat sheet for you. Now, before we go any further, if you're thinking about buying an electric car, you should do your research first, and you can do it on Car Wow. Also, you can compare offers from various dealers all across the country on the price that they'll let you have certain cars for. It's dead easy. Right, all you have to do is click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. Alternatively, you can just Google "Help Me Car Wow" and we will help you change your car. So do your research on your new car, make sure you're getting it for a fair price by comparing offers from dealers all across the country from the comfort of your own home. And you can even sell your current car through Car Wow as well, by just uploading some photos and giving a brief description. Then dealers all across the country will bid on your car to make sure you get a fair price for it. Now, before we race, I just want to check something. So my car has a sports mode, but it doesn't seem to have a launch control. Rory, have you got launch in yours?
I'm in a Porsche, so yeah.
I'm assuming you're in the same situation as me, Sam, because it's going to be basically the same car underneath. No launch. Are you in sport though, yeah?
Yeah, I'm in sport, and then I'm trying to decide with energy recovery whether to go gentle or strong. Do you often go gentle or strong, Matt?
I start off gentle, but then I build it up to get stronger and stronger, just the way he likes it. Nick, you've got a weird launch control in yours, which actually shakes the car when you engage it, don't you? Do you want to just try it now, see if you can pick it up on camera?
Certainly can do. It's like the back of the car's twerking or something. It sort of jiggles its hips.
And you got this funny noises by Hans Zimmer as well, haven't you?
Yeah, I think they just recorded Hans Zimmer twerking and used that.
Not sure it's going to help you. Who's your money on? Germany or China? I'll put a pinned comment below the video. Quickly vote, quickly vote. I'm going to give you time. Quickly vote. Right, no cheating. Don't do it afterwards. Do it now. Good. Right, now let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, blimey, it's spinning up its wheels.
Oh, this Porsche is fast.
Oh, wow.
And I'm the slowest.
Oh, look, it's like Germany for the win.
Wow, I'm the slowest.
really quick. But the German so far is the quickest! Yeah, the Porsche did what Porsches do.
It did indeed. I was a little bit worried to begin with because you seemed to launch pretty much as quickly as I did, but 100 metres in, I was gone.
And even the iX beat me.
Certainly did, Matt. This thing is rapid despite its outright heft.
And Sam, you were just taking it up the rear. Sorry, you were bringing up the rear.
Wasn't that just the most boring drag race we've ever done? It was just uneventful and silent and boring. Yeah, and I came last, which is even more boring.
Shut up! Shut up! People be clicking off. We want them to click on the ads and watch those and make us some money. What an idiot, he doesn't know how this all works. This is bloody exciting, and it's about to get even more exciting because something really amazing is going to happen a bit later in the video, so make sure you stay for like the really amazing stuff and click on the ads. Best 2 out of 3 then, yeah?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on, HiPhi.
Oh, he's beat me off the line.
Better.
Even better start than before that time.
Not better.
Oh no, it's a bugger that is.
Losing. Losing.
Best time yet for me. Please. I don't know why I'm talking in a northern accent. Okay, Sam, so the Chinese have lost, haven't they? They just lost that against the Germans.
How did I get a better start and lose worse? It doesn't make sense.
I got a better start and lost a little bit better, if that makes sense. I don't know. Very close, though, between the Taycan and the BMW. But Porsche, did you do it?
Yeah, I did do it in the end. The launch wasn't the best, but yeah. Actually, you got a better launch than me, I think.
Honestly, this thing launches really well. It picks up so well. It's just after a while, its power just tails off, and that's where, you just get ahead. Oh, well, not bad, though. Not bad.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Porsche won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The BMW took 12 seconds, the HiPhi Z 12.3 seconds, and the HiPhi X was last. It took 12.7 seconds to do the standing quarter mile.
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. First to the half mile wins. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this picks up so well. Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Whee! Woo, high five! Come on, it's a limit, it's a limit, you.
Oh, he's off.
Oh, excuse my Chinese. I normally say French, but I'm in a Chinese car. I can speak a little Chinese, by the way. Ni hao, wa shi, sha ma ge. People watching in China who watch car wow stuff in China will probably know what I'm saying with that. This thing took off like crazy, but then it hit a speed limiter just before the line, and that's when the Porsche and the BMW, I think, came past.
Yeah, I think I just had you, Matt. But yeah, it felt like Chinese cars accelerate more quickly at lower speeds. German cars come into their own at high speeds.
Why would that be? Do you reckon it's an Autobahn thing?
That HiPhi Z, that was off. Then the 2-speed gearbox on this thing kicked in, and then Matt just hit this wall, and I just shot past him.
Sam, have you got any words for us?
I found a sub menu and I went faster. Can I have another go at the drag race?
No, you can't do the drag race again, because what will happen is the same result as before. But let's do another rolling race, but this time from 50 miles an hour. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the Germans are doing a better job now. Come on!
Blimey, those things take off quickly.
Come on, this is so good.
Oh, bye, Sam.
Ah. No!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I've hit the speed limiter again.
I'm off, boys.
I'm going to have Matt.
Mother.
This is really upsetting. How much horsepower does yours have?
672.
You've got like 80 more horsepower than me. I don't get this. Physics is lying to us.
Okay, let's do it. Brake test from 100 miles an hour. Car that stops in the shortest distance wins. Yes, here we go, brake test. Here's the line. Come on! Oh, you beaut! Yes!
No way.
The Porsche lost. How did that happen? Porsche is famous for braking. This was brilliant, but I'm not sure I've beaten the BMW. Have I beaten the BMW?
I don't think you have, Matt.
Do you know what? Just to be sure, I'm going to have to get out and look, and I think I'm going to get out of my rear right door because I can. Oh. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the HiPhi, what is it, X? Where'd they get the name for that SUV, that electric SUV from?
No idea. All I know is I just won the brake test.
Same place the doors came from, I reckon.
Right, then it was the BMW, then this, and then the Taycan last. Anyway, you know, if you're thinking about buying a new electric car, you can do it through CarWow. You can actually research a wide range of electric cars on sale. You can check out what offers dealers have them up for sale for, you know, without going from showroom to showroom. See what savings you can get. It's dead simple. If you want to go check that out now, click on the pop-out banner up there. I'll follow the link in the description below. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of these two Chinese electric cars in the comments below. Click on the windows over there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to CarWow to compare how these cars performed in the drag race to all the other cars with drag race, because you can see the CarWow drag race leaderboard. Everything is recorded there. Thanks for watching.